Josh. Very nice. So, how are you guys feeling? Awesome, energetic, good, nice, lighter. Josh, awesome, very nice, fantastic, wonderful, super. Okay, so how are we going to start the session? So, although we have already started with a high note of energy, right? So, why did we change our physical state? So that we can change our psychology. Psychology. Do you remember? Tony Robbins said, the fastest way to change your emotional state is to change your physical state. And the highest energy, the person with highest energy always wins. Always wins, whatever it is. Whether he wants to get the success or the person wants to get the money, the person wants to get a beautiful career, the person wants to have beautiful relationship. The person with highest energy always wins in each and every area of his or her life. Okay, so keep your energy always high. Can somebody be happy at all times? The answer is no. Can anybody be happy at most of the time? The answer is yes. But at least can we try? Can we try? Right? Because see guys, जितनी भी लाइफ में जितनी भी जो कहते हैं ना वो बुरी चीजें होती हैं, दैट हैपेंस एट इट्स ओन, वो अपने आप से होती हैं. हैव यू सीन अ गार्डन? जितने भी वो वीड्स होती हैं साथ में, यू ऑल्सो मस्ट हैव गार्डन एट योर प्लेस और सम प्लांट्स. जितनी भी वो साइड में जो ग्रास होती हैं वो अपने आप होती हैं, राइट? बट जितनी भी वो अच्छी चीजें होती हैं ना लाइफ में, that you have to do intentionally, deliberately, consciously. You will have to do, you will have to put some efforts. किसी भी चीज को अच्छा करने के लिए उसके लिए एफर्ट देना पड़ता है. इन एनी एरिया ऑफ योर लाइफ, किसी भी एरिया में देख लो. इफ यू वांट टू मेक ब्यूटीफुल रिलेशनशिप, खराब वो अपने आप हो जाएगा. जस्ट थोड़े दिन जाना बंद कर दो, वो खराब अपने आप हो जाएगा. किसको तो आजकल टाइम नहीं मिलता, शी रिमेन्स वेरी बिजी, शी इज वेरी प्राउडी, शी इज वेरी इगोइस्टिक. वो खराब होने में टाइम नहीं लगेगा. बट इफ यू हैव टू मेक द रिलेशनशिप ब्यूटीफुल, what you will have to do, you will have to put your time, you will have to invest your money, you will have to invest your focus, you will have to invest your energy. Okay, so you will have to make it beautiful. You will have to put some efforts. Like let's say you have to reduce the weight. Okay, you want to reduce the weight. अपने आप हो जाएगा क्या? नो. एक एक इंच, एक एक किलो, एक एक 100 ग्राम, 50 ग्राम, पूरा वो राम 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 करते हुए जाएगा. बट वो जब बढ़ाना हो तो वो अपने आप से बढ़ जाएगा. यू डू नथिंग. पेन ऑफ इनएक्शन, पेन ऑफ ग्रोथ. सो व्हाट डू यू चूज? पेन ऑफ ग्रोथ. पेन ऑफ ग्रोथ चूज करोगे तो दैट इज ऑल्सो पेनफुल, एंड पेन ऑफ इनएक्शन, दैट इज ऑल्सो पेनफुल. बट इफ यू चूज पेन ऑफ ग्रोथ, इन दैट केस यू टेक इंस्पायर्ड एक्शन. वो अपने आप आता है अंदर से, एंड यू फील वेरी लाइटर. वो यू डोंट फील लाइक डूइंग एनीथिंग. यू फील एनर्जेटिक, यू फील जॉयफुल. यू एंजॉय द प्रोसेस. क्योंकि पेन तो दोनों में है, चाहे वो इनएक्शन हो या ग्रोथ हो. So better you choose growth. So at least you'll be growing in your life, na? Right? So whatever good you want to do, it will take effort. Right? And gratitude is what? Gratitude is the highest energy. और उससे भी ऊपर एक एनर्जी होती है, that is called love. And this gratitude is the second highest vibration. The first is love. And if you want to know, there is a book that is called The Power. That is also written by Rhonda Byrne. I have read it. Okay, so love is at the top, the highest vibration, highest energy. Love is that much powerful. After that, it comes gratitude. So what we are doing right now, we are doing gratitude. If you want to read that, so that is, love is not about wo romance or wo husband wife wala or wo girlfriend boyfriend wala. No, no. Love is something like, it's very deep. It's very deep. So that is the highest vibration, highest energy. And after that, it comes gratitude, what we are practicing on daily basis. And today, in today's chapter, so today we'll be reading chapter number 1, Count Your Blessings. And in this chapter, Rhonda Byrne will let you know that what is the process of being grateful, how we have to be grateful, how we have to write, what are the sentences that we have to write, how we have to be grateful. Okay, so for that, there is the process. And after session, and we'll be sitting for 10 to 15 minutes and we'll be practicing together. We'll be writing together. I'll play the music, and after that, we'll be doing some kind of like visualization as well. Some kind of meditation. I play the music, you have to put your hand on your heart, and then you have to feel that. Then you have to do the meditation with me. Okay, so daily I'll be playing one music and daily we'll be doing this practice. Chalega? Chalega? Write C in the chat. राइट सी इन द चैट चलेगा, अगर दौड़ेगा तो लिखो डी इन द चैट, COD COD COD। यस, कम ऑन एवरीवन। C4 चलेगा, D4 दौड़ेगा, इफ वी प्रैक्टिस टुगेदर, इफ वी मेडिटेट टुगेदर, इफ वी विजुलाइज भागेगा, वाह एक नया वर्ड, BCD भागेगा चलेगा दौड़ेगा। वेरी नाइस। From no, we will have to start from today because we are reading the chapter number 1. Officially, this is day 1. So, what I was doing, so I was setting the context. I was making the base, the foundation. Okay, so now foundation is set. We have to start reading chapter number 1. So, let me share the screen and here we go. I hope the screen is visible. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the first chapter. This is the first chapter. Day number 1, count your blessings. So today we will start counting our blessings. Blessings. Each and every blessing, each and every small, small thing, minuscule thing, we will start counting. And you will be amazed to see that, like, how blessed, how abundant we already are. We already are so blessed. We all are so abundant. See, count your blessings. So what do you see on the screen? On the screen there are many things. There is pen and paper, because today we will start writing, so that's why it's over there, pen and paper, so that we start writing today onwards. Okay, although there are many things, but Rhonda Byrne is suggesting that today onwards we have to start officially writing the gratitude. Writing the gratitude. Okay, so I hope you all have your notebook and pen ready, because after reading the first chapter we will start writing as well. So I'm reading from here. When I started counting my blessings, my whole life turned around. So who is saying? Willie Nelson. Willie Nelson, singer, songwriter. So Willie Nelson was singer and songwriter as well. So he says, when I started counting my blessings, my whole life turned around. So you also have to start counting your blessings, each and everything. You have to start counting every small thing, every person, every situation, everything. Because I told you on first day as well, nothing is happening all around you without your energetic invitation. जो भी आपके पास वो हो रहा है ना, that is because of you only. Whatever kind of people you have in your life, whatever kind of situations you have in your life, whatever kind of things you have in your life, whatever you have in your life, it is because of you. And if you understood, if you can understand that thing, and you will never ever say ki no, you will never complain in your life. You will never ever complain कि ये ऐसा क्यों है, वो ऐसा क्यों है, चीजें ऐसी क्यों है, काम क्यों नहीं चल रहा है, because you are attracting. So yesterday we talked about law of attraction. Do you remember? Law of like attracts like. So what does it mean? This is so deep. Like attracts like. You are attracting whatever negative people or positive people, whatever negative situations or positive situations, whatever negative or positive you have in your life in form of people, situation, things, that is your energetic manifestation. That is your energetic invitation. You are inviting those situations, peoples and things in your life because of your energy. Whatever is happening in your life, that is because of your energy. Your energy is attracting all those things. So you need to work upon your energy. So check on yourself. What is your energy? Positive or negative? Positive thoughts, negative, because everything starts from the thoughts only. So I gave you one formula. What is that formula? LOMA, law of massive action. Law of massive action. What is law of massive action? Beer. Your beliefs. B is beliefs. Your beliefs create feelings in your heart. Okay. And as per your feelings, you take the actions. A. And as per your actions, you create the results. So B, E means emotions or feelings. After that, actions, A, are results. And whatever results you see, that creates the new beliefs in your life. If you have positive results, you will have positive beliefs. If you have negative results, if you see negative outcomes, you see negative results. So it will create negative belief in your mind. So BEAR. इसको कभी नहीं भूलना, BEAR. So you have to remind yourself again and again, whatever is happening, जो भी कुछ हो रहा है, nothing is happening to you. And whatever is happening, that is because of you only. So take 100% responsibility of your actions, emotion, feelings on whatever is happening. और
E
कुछ भी
for,
ऐसे नहीं हो रहा है. Yes, अक्षता.
ma'am, what did you say? E
In
for
form of
emotions.
in form of people, situations, and things. Whatever
E.
is happening around you, in form of people, in form of situations, in form of things, that is your energetic invitation. You
No,
are
ma'am.
inviting those people, you are inviting those situations, you are inviting those things. जितना भी आपके पास जो कुछ आज तक है, अभी तक, दैट इज योर एनर्जेटिक इनविटेशन. आप इनवाइट कर रहे हो. कैसे? लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. लाइक अट्रैक्ट्स लाइक्स. व्हाट गोज अराउंड कम्स अराउंड. जो आप भेज रहे हो वही तो आपके पास आ रहा है. व्हाट गोज अराउंड कम्स अराउंड. एज यू सो शैल यू रीप. वी रेड ना. वी रेड व्हाट गोज
Yes, ma'am.
अराउंड कम्स अराउंड. एज यू सो शैल यू रीप. एवरी स्टेटमेंट हैज द सेम मीनिंग. जो आप यूनिवर्स को भेज रहे हो वो ही उसी के पास. न्यूटन ऑल्सो सेड द सेम थिंग. Every action or reaction has the opposite and same action and
Well,
reaction. If you say thank
ma'am,
you, that thank you will go outside and will come back to you in any form. It could be in the form of people, situation, or things. बट इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि जैसे ही आपने थैंक यू बोला वो उसी टाइम यूनिवर्स आपको दे देगा. नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. हो सकता है वो
not
आपको
in
1 साल
nature.
बाद मिले, हो सकता है 5 साल बाद मिले, हो सकता है 10 साल बाद मिले. But yeah, if you keep continuing this gratitude practice, you will see magic happening very fast. Very fast. Gratitude has that power. Okay, but start practicing first. That is the first step. You will have to start doing it and you will have to believe it. Because what
Ma'am,
you believe, you achieve. If you don't believe it, you will not achieve. Okay, so
ma'am,
Rhonda, that was
what
the
is
very
the long
first
form
line.
of beer? Beer, you said
BEAR, B means belief. Your
belief,
beliefs create emotions in your heart. Your
emotions.
emotions
Yes,
create actions. Because as
yes.
per your emotions, as per your feelings, you take the action. अगर आपके पास अच्छी फीलिंग होगी तो आप अच्छे एक्शन लोगे. अगर आपकी फीलिंग आपकी हेट्रेड की होगी, जेलेसी होगी, तो आपके एक्शंस भी वैसे ही होंगे. अगर आपकी फीलिंग हैप्पीनेस की होगी, फीलिंग जॉयफुल हो गया, आप एंजॉय कर रहे हो लाइफ में, तो यू विल टेक एक्शन अकॉर्डिंगली. यू विल टेक नाइस एक्शन, गुड एक्शंस. बट इफ यू आर फुल ऑफ हेटर, जेलेसी, resentment, fear, guilt, gratitude, that fear, guilt, doubt, if you have that energy, if you have all those emotions in your hearts, so what kind of actions you will take? Your actions also will be like negative, right? And whatever actions you take, if your actions are negative, your result also will be negative. You will not be getting anything, right? If your actions are positive, you will create positive result in your life. And whatever result you have, अगर आपको अच्छा रिजल्ट आया तो आपके बिलीफ भी पॉजिटिव बनेंगे. Because what is belief? Belief is the thoughts that you are repeating again and again. What is belief? Belief आते कहां से, कैसे बनता है वो बिलीफ? वो लिमिटिंग भी हो सकता है, वो एम्पावरिंग भी हो सकता है. हाउ डज इट फॉर्म? वो बनता कैसे है बिलीफ? फ्रॉम पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस, फ्रॉम पेरेंट्स, फ्रॉम
Experiences.
ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड कंडीशनिंग, फ्रॉम डिफरेंट ओपिनियंस, फ्रॉम योर relatives, from friends, from your childhood conditioning. और वो लिमिटिंग भी हो सकता है. सो लेट्स से यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड योर पेरेंट्स सेइंग कि पैसा पेड़ों पे नहीं उगता, पैसा पेड़ों पे नहीं उगता. पैसा, यू ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड सेइंग दैट पैसा पेड़ों पे नहीं उगता, पैसा पेड़ों पे नहीं उगता, पैसा पेड़ों पे नहीं उगता. योर पेरेंट्स सेड यू कांट डू इट. So they तो told you one time or two times or three times, but how many times you repeated in back of your mind? आपने कितनी बार उसको repeat किया? I can't do it, I can't do it, and you don't think of doing that because that you have played, that cassette that you have played in your mind again and again, again and again. वो इतनी आप बार आपने प्ले किया होता है. आपके फ्रेंड ने कुछ बोल दिया, आपको सोसाइटी ने कुछ बोल दिया, यू आर डफर, यू आर ड्रम. उन्होंने तो एक बार बोला. The people must have told you one time, two times, three times, four times, but how many times you have repeated? in back of your mind. So that forms the belief system. उससे आपका belief system बनता है. If they have told you something negative, like you are duffer, you are dumb, you can't do it, पैसा पेड़ों पे नहीं उगता, it's very hard to earn, you will have to do a lot many things, then only you can earn money. So all those things, how many times you have repeated? That will create your belief system. And some parents are like wow, matlab they make their kids very confident. Yes, you can do it. Yes, you can do it. Yes, you can do it. Okay, so it will form the positive belief. You are more than enough. You are more than enough. Yes, you can make money. You can make money. Money is very easy. Money is very easy. Anybody can make money. Okay, so what you are repeating? So that forms your belief system. So you have to see for yourself what kind of belief system you have. Limiting belief, which is limiting you, which is not serving you. क्यों रखा है? Drop it, drop it, drop it. If somebody says, I can't do it, is it serving you in any way? Is it serving you in any way? क्यों रखा है? Limiting belief, because this is limiting you. So now onwards, take this belief, I can't do it, and drop it. Drop it. And repeat after me. I drop it. Take your hands like this. Whatever negative belief you have, like money is hard to earn, drop it. Up until now, money was very hard to earn. But now onwards, money is very easy. So I drop it. I drop it. I drop it. So whatever limiting belief you have, so you have to drop it like this. I can't do it, drop it. You are duffer, drop it. I am underconfident, drop it. I am very fearful, drop it. Up until now, I was fearful. But now onwards, I am very courageous. Because courageous is what is courage? Courage is not absence of fear. Courage में वो fear तो रहता ही है. Fear will always be there. वो fear आपको छोड़ के कहीं नहीं जाने वाला. वो आपके साथ हमेशा रहने वाला है. जो लोग courageous होते हैं, fear उनको भी होता है. Courage doesn't mean absence of fear. Courage means facing the fear and then doing it. And then moving forward. Facing the fear. डरते जाओ, करते जाओ, डरते जाओ, करते जाओ, डरते जाओ, मरते जाओ, पर करते जाओ. One day you will see the change. Because mastery is in the repetition. जितना उसको रिपीट करोगे, प्रैक्टिस करोगे. एवरी मास्टर वॉज वंस अ डिजास्टर. हर एक मास्टर जो भी अभी आप देखते हो, यू कैन नॉट कंपेयर द फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ योर्स विद द 10th चैप्टर ऑफ समबडी एल्स कि यार वो तो कितना बड़ा. यार उसकी बिगिनिंग देखो. उसकी बिगिनिंग देखो. लेट्स से somebody is standing at the mountain and you are at the bottom. If you are saying, oh my god, वो तो यार कितना ऊंचा. But that person also started from the ground only. So how did that person reach on that top? So that person also started from the ground only. Once that person also was standing at the ground. So repetition, repetition, repetition. I have seen coaches, the same webinar, they have taken multiple times, 100 times, 1,000 times. And when you will wake them up at night, 2 a.m., 3 a.m., and they will speak like this. They will speak like this. Automatically on autopilot. उनको बोलो ना कि बोलना start हो जाओ. And it will be like that only. इतनी बार लिया because mastery is in the repetition. Now the people don't prepare. और अभी आपको लगता है वाह यार कितना अच्छा बोलता है, कितना यार उसने कितना, उससे पूछ के देखो उस कोच से कि हाउ मेनी टाइम्स यू हैव टेकन द सेम वेबिनार. सेम वेबिनार, सेम थिंग 100 टाइम, 200 टाइम्स, 300 टाइम. पिछले 5 सालों से, 7 सालों से, 10 सालों से सेम वेबिनार, हिट हिट हिट. अभी तो वो भी ऑटो पायलट हो गया. वो हर वेबिनार में दे पीपल आर नॉट गोइंग, दैट इज ऑल्सो ऑटो पायलट. Okay, so mastery is in the repetition. The more you repeat, you can also achieve whatever you want to achieve. Okay, so let me share the screen. Yes. So you will have heard people say to count your blessings. And when you think about the things you are grateful for, that's exactly what you are doing. So you must have heard people say, our parents also used to say, grandparents also used to say, count your blessing. You have to say thank you for each and every small thing. So whenever you are thinking about small things, so what are you doing? So you are being grateful. But what you may not have realized is that counting your blessings is one of the most powerful practices you can ever do. And it will magically turn your whole life around. It can magically turn your whole life around. So, when you are grateful for the things you have, no matter how small they may be, you will see those things instantly increase. See, if you start being grateful for small, minuscule things, जैसे आपके पास नोट्स नहीं है, कॉइन तो है ना, कॉइन्स तो है ना. You know, in so today I had a lot of coins in my purse. सो आई टोल्ड माई हस्बैंड, यार जहां पे भी आपको कोई दिखता है ना, वहां पे ना आप स्टॉप कर देना यार. पर्स में देखो कॉइन कितने और गए हैं, पांच पांच छह छह कॉइन में ऐसे करके, मतलब जो भी जैसे मिलता गया यार. आई हैव टू, दैट मीन्स आई हैव टू बी वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दोज कॉइन्स एज वेल, दैट आई कुड हेल्प समबडी. I could help
Hmm.
somebody.
Yes.
Because for you it could be coins, but for them it could be like a lot of money. आपके
Lot
लिए
of.
coins क्या है, कुछ नहीं है, but for them, उनके लिए तो एक टाइम का मील, वो 5-10 रुपए की चाय, वो रस खा लेंगे, फैन खा लेंगे कुछ उसके साथ, दे पीपल विल टेक समथिंग फ्रॉम दैट मनी. ओके, सो यू हैव टू बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट, वो 5 रुपीज और 10 रुपीज एज वेल. अगर वो आप 5-10 रुपए के लिए भी इतना ग्रेटफुल होते हो, तो वही आगे जल के वो 1000, 10,000, वो 1 लाख रुपीज बन के वापिस आने वाला है. सो वेन एवर यू गिव एनी मनी टू एनी बडी, so this I have practiced a lot, and now also, like from last 2 years I have been practicing the same thing. Whenever I give any money to anybody, to any vendor, to any street wala, मतलब किसी को भी, जैसे मेड को दिया, स्वीपर को दिया, गार्ड को दिया, there are many
सिलेंडर
people जो
वाले
कार.
को,
हम्म.
सिलेंडर वाला भी मैम 20 रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा लेता है उसको भी
हाँ.
वो कभी कभी भूल जाते हैं, मांग लेते हैं, फिर भूल जाते हैं, लेकर निकल जाते हैं. सो वी यूज टू रिमाइंड देम दैट आई आई हैव डन दैट थिंग्स, कि
हम्म.
आपने बोला था तो आप लेके जाओ ये.
हम्म. So now onwards, what you can do? Add 1 or 2 zeros extra. So I to always add 2 extra. I say money, you go, you grow, you multiply and come back. वो पूरा ना 100 फोर्स हो गए, वो वापिस हो गए, फिर वापिस मेरे पास आना. जिसको भी आप देते हो, टमाटर लिए, अनियन लिया, आलू लिए, कुछ भी खरीदा, जो भी आपने 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, 100 जितने भी उसको दिए, सब्जी वाले को या फ्रूट वाले को, उसके आगे 1 जीरो या 2 जीरो जितना भी आपके चाहिए जाले. मतलब ऐसे करके खुशी से उसको, गॉड ब्लेस यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू. मनी, यू गो, यू ग्रो, you multiply and come back, and you will see magic happening into your life, how the magic unfolds. So this is really really magical, really
मैम
magical.
मैम जस्ट सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट
Yeah,
यू.
yeah, please tell
एक
me.
बात और है मैम, वेन एवर वी गिव समवन फॉर हैविंग मेनी मल्टीपल्स ऑफ दैट मनी, हम इस मतलब इच्छा से देते हैं कि ये मेरे पास वापस आए. तो मेरे साथ
हम्म.
ऐसा होता है कि वापस नहीं आता है. एंड आई हैव रेड, ऐसा होता है कि जब आप पाने के लिए किसी को देते हो ना, तब नहीं
हम्म.
आपको मिलता. जब आप
नहीं,
एक्चुअल में
हम किसको
देते.
प्लेस कर रहे हैं ऑर्डर, हमने किसको प्लेस किया है? हमने तो यूनिवर्स को प्लेस किया है ना, हमने तो गॉड जी को प्लेस किया, हमने उस वेंडर को, वेंडर तो आपको थोड़ी ना वो ग्रो करके देगा. आपने
हाँ
मनी को
नहीं,
प्लेस किया, मनी तो एनर्जी है ना.
हाँ
मनी तो
हाँ.
एनर्जी, आपने तो यूनिवर्स को अपना ऑर्डर प्लेस किया है. सो वेन एवर
हम्म.
यू गो टू बाय एनी हाउस, सपोज आपको 10 करोड़ का, 15 करोड़ का मतलब हाउस दिखा, यू कैनॉट से कि हाँ यार मेरे पास तो इतना होता तो काश मैं भी खरीदता. नो, वाओ यार, ब्यूटीफुल, अमेजिंग. यूनिवर्स ने आपको दिखाया, दैट मीन्स यू हैव दैट कैपेसिटी टू बाय दैट हाउस
हाँ.
one day. If not now, maybe tomorrow, or maybe day after tomorrow, anytime. So why universe is putting that desire inside your mind? But if you have that kind of energy or desperation wala, हाँ यार उसके पास तो है, मेरे पास नहीं. If you have that energy of like jealousy wala, it will not
हम्म.
work. So that's why I'm
Hmm.
repeating again and again, who you are, who you are. हमने वो यूनिवर्स तो हमारा, जैसे वो यूनिवर्स तो हमारा फ्रेंड है.
हम्म.
यूनिवर्स हमने हाईएस्ट पावर को बोला है उसको.
Hmm.
तो इट्स नॉट बीइंग दैट आई एम बीइंग ग्रीडी, कि आप 10 दे के आप मुझे 100 वापस करना. नो, हमने अपना ऑर्डर उसको, यूनिवर्स को अच्छी भावना से हमने उसको किया, देन ओनली इट विल ब्रिंग द रिजल्ट इनटू योर लाइफ.
ये मैम मैंने
अगर
रिच
आपकी
डैड
वो
पुअर
ग्रीडी
डैड में
उसके
भी.
आप कर रहे हो कि, देन इट विल नॉट वर्क.
हम्म. ये स्टेटमेंट मैंने रिच डैड पुअर डैड में भी पढ़ी थी कि द इट विल नॉट कम टू यू बैक टिल द टाइम यू आर हैविंग सेम इंटेंशन कि ये मेरे पास वापस आए। आई एम नॉट, मैं आपकी
हम्म
स्टेटमेंट को वो नहीं कर रही हूँ,
हम्म
जस्ट आई एम शेयरिंग दैट ये मेरे साथ भी होता है। सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी, जब मैं देती हूँ तो मुझे बहुत खुला दिल रखना पड़ता है कि इट्स ओके, स्टिल इट वुड नॉट कम बैक टू मी, स्टिल इट्स ओके। मतलब
हम्म
मुझे परमात्मा इतना दे कि मैं दूसरों को बांट सकूं। आई हैव टू गिव विद सच इंटेंशन।
या यू
सो
शुड हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ हार्ट, सर्विंग का हार्ट होना चाहिए। सो दैट्स व्हाई वी नीड टू वर्क अपॉन आवर माइंड सेट एंड हार्ट सेट। अपना दिमाग भी खुला रखना होगा, अपना हार्ट भी बड़ा रखना होगा, एंड पर्सनैलिटी सेट एज वेल। माइंड सेट, हार्ट सेट, हार्ट को बड़ा करना होगा दूसरों को देने के लिए, सर्विंग का हार्ट, राइट? सो देन ओनली इट विल वर्क। Okay. So if you are grateful for the money you have, however little, you will see your money magically grow. If you are grateful for a relationship, even if it is not perfect, you will see it miraculously get even better. So as I gave you my example as well, how did I improve my each and every relationship with my in-laws and with my husband, with my kids, for with each and every one? If you are grateful for the job that you have, even if it is not your dream job, things will begin to change so that you enjoy your job more, and all kinds of opportunity for your work will suddenly appear. So those opportunity, those were hidden, it will start appearing in front of you. So but first you have to be grateful for the small opportunity. You know, whenever I get any money from any of my clients, so I'm so grateful, and I start writing. I daily write whenever I get any amount for my one-on-one client or for my group coaching, like whatever, like money you people pay me. Okay, so every day I start writing. At night before I sleep, I'm so grateful. At that time also, whenever I get that payment ka screenshot on my mobile. So thank you so much, universe. Thank you so much, God. Every time I'm very grateful. Whenever it goes, whenever it comes. And before I sleep, I write as well. Thank you so much, universe. Thank you so much, God, for showing me that kind of, abundance.
मैम रात में भी लिखना है?
या रात में ही तो लिखना है, रात में ही तो लिखना है।
आपने
Once in
बोला
a
था
day,
सुबह
once
लिखो।
in a day. वो that तो small practices I am giving you. The gratitude practice, 3 questions that I am giving you on daily basis. That is a different activity. The gratitude that we will start doing today. So daily 10 gratitude we have to start writing today
Ma'am,
onwards.
ma'am, I have been doing right from day one. That
Very
other
good.
than that tasks, I'm
Other
doing
than that
in
small
the
activity
afternoon.
that I am sharing in the group.
Yes,
Very
other
good.
than that,
Very nice.
I'm doing but uh, night and in morning not possible because daughter sleeping, so
Hmm.
I couldn't get to write. But what I do on same like on same basis, I'm writing. But what I want to ask you that is there any we have to set one particular time to write?
No, it's not mandatory. It's not mandatory, Akshara, but first you make sure that you do it.
Yes,
Okay, first you have to do it.
without fail. Yeah.
Yeah, without fail, you have to make it a habit. And throughout your life, can't you sit for 5 to 10 minutes and write 10
Yes.
gratitude on daily basis
Yes.
throughout your life? Is it that difficult? No. But
No.
if you write before you sleep, that is well and good. And what is the next time? Like after getting up, after waking up. So that is the best time. So these 2 times are the best time to write. Before you sleep
Yes.
and when you wake up. These are the 2 times. You can do one time, but another time, what you can do is you just join your hand, fold your hands, and say, "Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. I'm so grateful." Like just mind में ही like you can do, but at night and when you wake up.
In
So
morning,
these 2 night वो आपका ना
I
पूरी
used to
रात
do.
का काउंट होता है.
Oh my God, thank you. My daughter wasn't crying at night. I get, pleasant sleep. So I used to do many times, even before your joining your session. So I used to do that. Oh, this night, Ivanshi was not crying this night. So We used to,
Hmm.
grateful for that. So nowadays,
ऐसे नहीं लिखो
these things
अक्षिता.
are
So
happening.
today the book will let you know that how you have to write.
Yes.
ऐसे नहीं लिखना है was not crying. She slept
Yes.
peacefully. Positive statements. Because what is
Yes.
affirmation? What is affirmation is
पॉजिटिव होते
P
हैं.
for present and P for personal as well. P
Yes.
for personal and P for present. आपको
पॉजिटिव.
present में लिखना है. लाइक शी स्लीपिंग पीसफुली और शी स्लेप्ट पीसफुली. अगर आप आज लिख रहे हो और वो कल रात को अच्छे से सोए, शी स्लेप्ट पीसफुली. शी इज नॉट क्राइंग. क्राइंग इज लाइक अगेन द नेगेटिव वर्ड. कोई चिल्ला रहा है,
Hmm.
दैट इज अगेन नेगेटिव. सो इट शुड बी पॉजिटिव एज वेल. So please write it down 3 words. P, P, P. What is affirmation? P, P, P. P means personal and P for present and P for positive. No negative. आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं आई डोंट वॉन्ट अ स्मॉल हाउस. आप कैसे लिखोगे?
Hmm.
आई वॉन्ट अ बिग हाउस.
Big house.
उसमें नो नेगेटिव, ओनली पॉजिटिव. पर्सनल, पॉजिटिव एंड प्रेजेंट. पर्सनल, प्रेजेंट, पॉजिटिव. लाइक आई. सबसे पहले कैसे स्टार्ट करोगे? कोई एफर्मेशन होगी तो आई
Ah.
वॉन्ट अ बिग हाउस. आई एम वॉन्टिंग या आई वॉन्टेड या आई विल वॉन्ट. नो, आई वॉन्ट अ बिग हाउस. आई पर्सनल हो गया, आई वॉन्ट प्रेजेंट हो गया एंड पॉजिटिव.
Hmm.
I want a big house. That is positive. Personal, present, and positive. I am
Ma'am, my
sorry, I
gratefulness
forgot.
was not based upon your exercise because I have not seen that exercise you have gave to us. But after I did, maybe from yesterday I will do it. मतलब my
So,
gratefulness will be based upon your exercises now.
yeah, officially, so that's why I'm telling you that officially we are starting today. So whatever you have done, that is well and good. So that was small activities I thought of giving you. But today onwards, on daily basis, you don't have to miss even a single day. There is no option. वो option ही नहीं है. अपने आप को option देना ही नहीं है. Don't be lenient कि नहीं. अपने आप को नहीं ऑप्शन देना कि आज नहीं करते, चलो कल करेंगे, या कल 2 बार इकट्ठा कर लेंगे, या 2 दिन नहीं किया तो 3 दिन का इकट्ठा कर लेंगे. नो, डेली. Okay, guys, so let me read a little faster now so that we can practice because that is very important, right? So, yeah, so you will see the opportunities. The flip side is that when we are not continuing our blessings. So, what is the flip side? Flip side, जैसे एक सिक्के के 2 पहलू होते हैं ना. What is the second पहलू is that when we are not counting our blessings, what are we doing in that case? We can fall into the trap of unintentionally counting negative things. Because that is unintentionally we are like counting negative things. Because if we are not positive, that means we are negative. We are not neutral. So you have to see for yourself. Either you are thinking positive or you are thinking negative. We are not neutral. अपने दिमाग को हम शांत तो छोड़ते ही नहीं ना. या तो वो पॉजिटिव चल रहा है या तो वो नेगेटिव चल रहा है. If you are not counting your blessings, that means you are counting negative things. So be alert. So we count negative things when we talk about the things we don't have. So if we don't have anything, so that means we are that times also like we are negative, na? We are negative. I don't have this. I don't have this. If that thought is there in your mind, even if you are just thinking, आप ये just think कर रहे हो कि आपके पास क्या नहीं है, that is also negative. We count negative things when we criticize or find fault with other people. When we complain about traffic, waiting in lines, आपको लगेगा आप तो कुछ कर नहीं रहे हो. So there is red light and you are just thinking, यार red light क्यों है, क्यों है, क्यों है, क्यों है, I'm getting late, I'm getting late. So that is also negative. You are complaining, na? You are complaining about red light. You are complaining about standing in the line, standing in the queues, delays. आपका पार्सल लेट हो गया, डिले हो गया, कुछ भी, या आप डिले हो गए, आप लेट हो गए कहीं पहुंचने में. So that is also like complain. The government, ऐसी गवर्नमेंट वैसी गवर्नमेंट, नॉट इनफ मनी, आई डोंट हैव इनफ मनी. और द वेदर, आज गर्मी बहुत है, आज सर्दी बहुत है, एसी काम नहीं कर रहा, आज तो पानी नहीं आ रहा. लाइक स्मॉल थिंग्स. यू विल बी अमेज कि कितनी बार हम दिन
नहीं
में,
होता है वैसे.
एक दिन है ना, आप ऐसे ऐसे इमेजिन करो कि आपके पीछे ना, लाइक beside you somebody is standing and that person is noting down whenever any negative thought is coming, so that person will make a note of it. And you will be amazed, oh my god, यार कितना नेगेटिव सोचा मैंने सारा दिन. And that exercise also we will be doing. It will come. Okay, so when we count negative things, they increase too. They increase too. But on top of that, with every negative thing we count, we cancel out blessings that were on their way. If we are counting things negative, if we are thinking negative, if we are thinking any negative thing, so that means we are canceling out blessings. कि गॉड गॉड भी बोलता है कि यार इसने तो कंप्लेन कर दी, अब मैं कैसे इसको ब्लेसिंग दूं, मुझे तो देनी थी बट इसकी तो कंप्लेन ही नहीं खत्म हो रही है. एंड इफ यू डू इट अदरवाइज, लाइक व्हाट इज द फ्लिप साइड? इफ यू से लेट्स से यू आर नॉट मेकिंग 5 lakh 1 month, okay, 5 lakh per month you are not making, but if you are deliberately, intentionally, again and again, you are thanking God, I'm so grateful that I am making 5 lakh rupees per month easily and effortlessly. I'm so grateful. I'm truly grateful that I am making 5 lakh rupees per month easily and effortlessly. Okay, so if you are repeating again and again, God will say, यार मैंने तो इसको 5 लाख कभी दिए नहीं, और ये बंदी मतलब इतना थैंक यू कर रही है, इतना थैंक यू कर रही है, इतना थैंक यू कर रही है, अब तो मुझे देना ही पड़ेगा. तब गॉड के पास कोई ऑप्शन मत छोड़ो कि उसको आपको देना ही पड़े. Are you guys getting it? So why positive? Why only positive? Because universe doesn't understand that वो negative वाला language. Don't, can't, right? So that line will also come. We cancel out blessings. So I have tried both, counting my blessings and counting negative things. And I can assure you that counting your blessings is the only way to have abundance in your life. That is the only way. Better to lose count while naming your blessing than to lose your blessing to counting your troubles. What does it mean? That means if you are counting your blessings ना, forget about number कि मैंने कितनी blessing लिखी. जैसे मैं अभी I'm just letting you know that we have to write 10. Forget about counting. When you are thinking about your blessings, when you are counting your blessings, better you forget the number.
Limitless.
पर जब हम कंप्लेन करते हैं rather than that, so you have to count your blessings and forget about number. पर क्या करते हैं, जब हम काउंट करते हैं ना ब्लेसिंग, तब हम नंबर भूल जाते हैं. इतनी कंप्लेन करते हैं कि हम नंबर ही भूल जाते हैं कि हमने कितना कंप्लेन किया. rather than जब ब्लेसिंग करो तब अपनी काउंटिंग को भूल जाओ, इतनी ब्लेसिंग करो. दैट इज द मीनिंग, राइट? First thing in the morning or as early in the day as you can, count your blessings. You can write out your list by hand, type in on a computer, or use a special book or journal and keep all of your gratitude in one place. Today, you are going to make a simple list of 10 blessings in your life you are grateful for. Okay, so today we'll be writing 10 blessings we are grateful for. When Einstein gave thanks, he thought about why he was grateful. Okay, so after that, we have to write down the reason that why are we grateful. Why are we grateful? When you think about the reason why you are grateful for a particular thing or person or situation, you will feel gratitude more deeply when we give the reason. So otherwise I can say, I'm grateful for my husband, I'm grateful for my in-laws, I'm grateful for my daughter, I'm grateful for my son. No, not like that. After that, you have to give the reason. Why are you grateful for your husband? Why are you grateful for your in-laws? Why are you grateful for your son? Why are you grateful for your daughter? Like, you have to give the reason also, because you will be able to feel more deeply. Otherwise the feeling will not come. वो cognitive हो जाएगा ऊपर से. Remember that the magic of gratitude happens according to the degree of
Just
your
change
feeling.
the page. We couldn't see whatever you are reading.
You can't see this one.
Yes.
This,
It's
remember
visible.
that the magic of gratitude, this blue one.
No.
No?
For me, it's visible.
And what about others? Shrestha, Ishita?
Now it is visible.
Visible? This one. So I'm reading
Yes.
from here.
Yes.
Remember that the magic of gratitude happens according to the degree of your feeling. Intensity of your feeling, कि आपकी feeling की intensity कितनी है, कितना deeply आप उसको feel करते हो, कितने serious you are about that feeling, about that particular thing or people or situation. So with each item on your list, write the reason why are you grateful for it. So you have to write the reason. So here are some ideas for writing your list. So how you have to write? See, these are some examples how you have to write. So the first example is I'm truly blessed to have dash because dash. Like I'm truly blessed to have this house. Okay. So what क्या है आपके पास? This house. I'm truly blessed to have this house because this is so beautiful. Reason आपने देना है. Because I have a lot of luxuries in this house, because I have a lot of gadgets in this house, because I have a lot of appliances in this house, like whatever you want to write. जैसे आपने हाउस के बारे में लिखा या किसी पर्सन के बारे में लिखा, आई एम ट्रूली ब्लेस्ड टू हैव, my husband's name is like Vikas. I'm truly blessed to have Vikas in my life because he's so gentleman. Okay, because he's so amazing. Whatever you want to like, I'm just giving you the idea what you can write. I'm so happy and grateful for this laptop because it helps me to take the sessions. It helps me to give sessions. I'm so happy and grateful for this laptop, right? I'm truly grateful for my mobile because it helps me to send messages to my clients. Okay, with all my heart. So these are the examples, like how you can start. You can start in this way, 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 or you can choose anyone, or you can mix and match. Kaise bhi aap, you can learn it. With all my heart, thank you for dash. Because why? Reason. So these are the statements. You can choose any or you can mix as well. Because see, universe has nothing to do with कि आप कैसे लिखते हो. यूनिवर्स को देखना है बस आपकी फीलिंग. Okay. After you have finished making your list of 10 blessings, go back and read each one, either in your mind or out loud. When you get to the end of each blessing, say the magic words 3 times. Thank you, thank you, thank you. After each and every blessing, so let's say you have written 10 blessings. After when you start reading, after writing, so you have to read out each and every blessing, and after each and every blessing you have to say the magic words 3 times. Thank you, thank you, thank you, just to increase the intensity of that feeling and feel the gratitude for that blessing as much as you possibly can. Okay, so we will do it together. To help you feel more gratitude, you can be grateful to the universe. So now there are many examples. So what you can be grateful for? What are the things? What are the situations like you can be grateful for? To help you feel more gratitude, you can be grateful to the universe, God, spirit, goodness, life, your greater self, or any other concept you are drawn to. मैं अपने खुद के लिए मैं इतने ग्रेटफुल फील करती हूँ पूनम. आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल फॉर काइंड ऑफ पर्सन आई एम बिकमिंग. आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल फॉर माई लर्निंग्स. आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल फॉर माई ग्रोथ. When you direct gratitude towards something or someone, you will feel it even more, and your gratitude will have even more power and create even more magic. It's the reason why indigenous and ancient cultures chose symbols like the sun to direct their gratitude toward. They were simply using physical symbol to represent the universal source of all goodness, and in focusing on the symbol, they felt more gratitude. Do you remember those days when when our parents and when people, ancient people, they used to be very grateful for sun, for moon. वो sun को water देते थे क्यों? Because they couldn't connect to with the highest power, or they couldn't understand that कोई highest power होता है, कि कोई energy होती है, कोई spirits होती हैं. They could relate to the physical form. अभी जैसे गॉड को भी सबने फिजिकल फॉर्म दे दिया ना, जैसे कृष्णा का दे दिया, किसी ने यीशु मसीह का दे दिया, किसी ने किसी का दे दिया, राम जी का दे दिया, गुरु जी का दे दिया, साईं बाबा का दे दिया, गुरु नानक का दे दिया. दीज आर फिजिकल फॉर्म्स, फिजिकल फॉर्म, सो दैट दे कैन कनेक्ट. सो इसलिए वो सन का दे दिया मुझे. आई एम फेसिंग सम नेटवर्क इशू. ये एयरटेल में है यार, वो जियो में था नहीं. अभी मैंने एयरटेल का लगवाया, इसमें आई एम फेसिंग सम काइंड ऑफ इशू. So is it coming now? Am I
Just
audible?
say that my internet is good, Airtel is good
Yeah.
internet sourcing.
Yes, good. Yeah, it will be good. It will be good. But abhi to we can't change it. I have just installed it. Okay, so we have to, why they people have, because they could relate to those physical forms, like sun को दे दिया, moon को दे दिया, Why sun? Why moon? Because they couldn't understand what is that highest spirit, what is that God, that energy. They couldn't relate to that. But now we know that God is that energy, the highest form of energy, right? So that's why they used to pray for rain. Rain की पूजा कर ली है ना. कभी किसी का बेबी नहीं हुआ, डू यू रिमेम्बर वो रामायणा, जब ये राम राम और ये दशरथ जी के बेबी नहीं हुआ था, तो उन्होंने कुछ वो हवन किया था, कुछ अग्नि का पूजा वगैरह किया था, बिकॉज दे कुड रिलेट टू फिजिकल थिंग्स. सूर्य की पूजा कर ली. और यू ना कुछ वो ब्रह्मास्त्र वो जब आते थे
पेड़ों की
विद द
भी
हेल्प ऑफ
पूजा
बो
करते
एंड
हैं मैम
एरो.
हम लोग।
या
पेड़ों की भी पूजा करते हैं मैम, जैसे
पेड़ों
वो
की पूजा.
चिकन
यस.
पॉक्स होता है किसी बच्चों को तो वो पानी डालते हैं,
हम्म.
माता आ गई, माता आ गई बोलते
हम्म.
हैं। मतलब
हम्म.
बहुत से मतलब रिचुअल्स है जो लोग फॉलो करते हैं,
फॉलो करते हैं. यस, राइट
भगवान
राइट.
मानते हैं।
हम्म. Agni Devta, Surya Devta, yes. The practice of counting your blessings is so simple and so powerful in altering your life. So it will alter your life. जैसे कपड़े को ऑल्टर करते हैं ना, कहीं से कुछ कपड़ा फट गया तो कुछ उसे ऑल्टर
अच्छा।
करते हैं. सो इट द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड विल ऑल्टर योर लाइफ. That I want you to continue to add 10 more blessings to your list every day for the next 27 days. Okay, so we'll be starting today. So including today, so it will be for 28 days. So you might think it could be difficult to find 10 things you are grateful for every day, but the more you think about it, the more you will realize how much you have to be grateful for. The more you start writing, you will see the more reasons to be grateful for. Look closely at your life. You have received and are continuing to receive so much each and every day. There is really so much to give thanks for. And if you don't know what to be grateful for, that means the problem is in your eyes. If you don't know what to be grateful for, that means the problem is in your eyes, right? So that was also written in the book if you have read the yesterday's pages. So you could be grateful for your home, your family, your friends, your work, and your pets. You could be thankful for the sun, water you drink, the food that you eat, the air that you breathe. Without any of them, you wouldn't be alive. So you could be grateful for the trees, the animals, the
कहाँ
oceans,
सोना
the
है?
birds. Yes, the flowers, the plants, sky, rain, stars, moon, beautiful planet Earth, Mother Earth. You could be grateful for your senses, eyes, nose, ears, you hear, your mouth that tastes, the nose that smells, the skin that enables you to feel. You could be grateful for the legs you walk on, your hands that you use to do almost everything you can hold, you can grip, your voice that enables you to express yourself and communicate with others. You could give thanks for your amazing immune system that keeps you well and all of your organs that maintain your body so that you can live. And what about your magnificence of your humankind? Mind is very powerful, which no computer technology in the world can duplicate. See, our mind is so powerful. The whole body, inner organs, outer organs. So we can be grateful for. So here is a list of subjects that will remind you of the major areas you can look for blessings to be grateful for. You can also add any subject you want depending on what is important to you at any time. So magic gratitude subjects. So these could be your subjects. Health and body, I think you all must have chosen on day number 1. So what is that particular area when we were doing that wheel of life? So you all must have chosen one area in which you have to be more grateful. Otherwise, you can choose. So today, Rhonda Byrne has suggested you many topics. There are many topics. There is no limit, no limit. If you will start writing 10 gratitudes, you will be able to write 100 gratitude, 1000 gratitudes. Work and success, money, relationship, passion, happiness. So these are the topics. Nature, planet Earth, air, material goods, services, any subject of your choosing. So you should feel significantly better and happier after each time you count your blessings. And how good you feel is your measure of how much gratitude you felt. The more gratitude you felt, the happier you will feel. And the faster your life will change. The more you feel, the faster your life will change. Some days you will feel happy really quickly, and other days it may take a little longer. But as you continue to count your blessings every day, you will notice a bigger and bigger difference in the way you feel each time, and you will see your blessings magically multiply. Okay, so the more you do it, the more you feel it sincerely. So the more magic will unfold in your life. And there is this magic reminder. Make sure to read tomorrow's magical practice sometime today, as you will need to do something specific before you begin tomorrow. Yeah, I'll let you know what is this reminder. Okay, so daily. So now onwards, daily we have to do this practice. So today it is magic practice number 1. So what we have to do? And daily we have to read this magic practice. So today is magic practice number 1. So tomorrow it will be magic practice number 2. So this reminder is saying that for day number 2 also you have to read the practice today, because we will have to arrange few things. So the first practice for today is count your blessing. First thing in the morning, make a list of 10 blessings in your life you are grateful for. If you can do it early morning, well and good. But if you can't do it early morning, if you have a lot many things to do, you can just fold your hands and you can be grateful for whatever you want. But if you are not doing it in the morning, you have to do it before you sleep. 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful for each blessing. So you have to write why as well. Go back and read out your list, either in your mind or out loud. When you get to the end of each one, say the magic words, thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel the gratitude for that blessing as much as possibly can. So now we will start writing. Okay, so once we write 10 blessings, after reading out one blessing, we will say thank you, thank you, thank you. After reading second, then we will say thank you, thank you, thank you. After reading the third, so continue. Repeat the first 3 steps of this magical practice every morning for the next 27 days. So this we have to do for next 27 days. Daily. What you have to do? 10 blessings we have to write. Then we have to read out. And then after each and every statement, we have to say thank you, thank you, thank you. And we have to feel it. Read tomorrow's magical practice today. And what is tomorrow's magical practice? So 3 things same. And we will have to arrange, because tomorrow's practice is all about magic rock. Magic rock. So we will have to arrange a rock, a small rock. एक छोटा सा कोई भी rock और कोई भी छोटा सा stone you will have to arrange. Okay, कोई भी जिसके कोई sharp edges ना हो, that you can hold, because next practice how you have to do, you have to put a stone or a small rock, beautiful सा कोई भी आप जैसे कोई marble ले सकते हो which doesn't have that sharp edges. जैसे आप अपनी उसको मुट्ठी में रख के ऐसे फिस्ट बना के, then you have to be grateful. Then you have to speak out 10 gratitude practices. Those statements you have to speak out. Okay, you just have to arrange one rock. Understood? Understood? So that only you have to do. Can you see this rock on the table? Okay, so that this is a bigger one, but you have to arrange a small one. एक मेरे पास भी एक छोटा सा मार्बल है, that is beside my bed, वो side table में है. I have kept it there. It is always there. It was always there. From last 2 years, it was always there. Okay, वो छोटा सा मार्बल का है, वो मुझे मिला था जैसे वो टेबल ली थी ना मैंने.
क्लोज होनी चाहिए, ऐसा लेना
हाँ,
पड़ेगा.
क्लोज होनी चाहिए.
अभी
yes.
मेरे पास है, बट उससे क्लोज नहीं होगा. जब हम पाम पे रखेंगे ना उसको, तो क्लोज नहीं होगी हमारी
नहीं, वो
ड्रेस.
क्लोज होना चाहिए अक्षता.
क्लोज होना चाहिए.
वो क्लोज
हाँ.
होना चाहिए. छोटा सा जैसे
Okay.
मार्बल होता है ना, वो कंचे खेलते थे जैसे कंचे, वो भी आप ले सकते हो.
हाँ, गोटियां
उतना
जो
जैसे उसके तो
खेलते हैं.
शार्प एज भी नहीं होते ना. So it would be for you. Yeah, Ishita is showing you. So let me put Ishita on the spotlight. Yes, Ishita is showing you. Yeah, I also have the similar one, pink color ka. Yeah, so Ishita is showing you that any like stone you can take.
मैम फिर उसको संभाल कर रखना है, कभी फेंकना
Yes,
नहीं
yes,
है
yes.
उसको.
You have to keep it safe. Yes.
ओके.
उसको अपने आप टेम्पल में भी रख सकते हो, टेम्पल में भी रख सकते हो, अपनी साइड टेबल पे भी रख सकते हो. So this is just to remind you that you have to be grateful.
यस. ओके.
Okay. So now we will start practicing. Let me stop recording. Then I'll play the music and then take out your notebook and pen. So thank you everyone for joining.